Editing disclosures. MaxxTraxx comes with built-in disclosures and warranty statements for both repair orders and parts counter invoices. The generic statements that came with MaxxTraxx are not necessarily correct or legal where your shop is located. MaxxTraxx strongly encourages you to find out what is appropriate for your area and enter those statements into the program. This video will review how to edit those disclaimers. First, click on the Setups menu icon at the upper right corner of MaxxTraxx. Locate column A, General, then click on line B, Repair Orders and Part Invoices. Inside that window, locate the RO Disclaimers tab and click on it. Unless it has been edited or changed, this is the estimate disclaimer that came with MaxxTraxx. In the box below the estimate disclaimer is the warranty disclaimer. The estimate disclaimer is normally printed at the upper left of the repair order. Checking this box prints the disclaimer at the lower left. Please note that when it is printed at the lower left part of the repair order, that limits how much space is allotted for the warranty disclaimer. You should enter your shop's basic warranty information in the warranty box. To the right of the window are the boxes for the disclaimer signature, the revision signature, and the final invoice signature. The revision signature line will only appear when an estimate revision is logged on the repair order. Each disclaimer or signature box can be edited to display what is required legally in your state. To run spell check on the individual boxes, simply click the small spell check button next to the box. When you're finished editing, click the OK button. To see how the various disclaimers look, select a repair order and double-click to open the order. Once opened, click the Preview Repair Order button. The revision signature line appears below the revision entry. The warranty disclaimer appears in the lower left of the invoice copy. The original estimate and final invoice signatures appear at the bottom. And this is what the disclaimer looks like at the bottom of the repair order. To edit the disclaimers and signatures for parts invoices, go to the Setups menu. Under Repair Orders and Part Invoices, select the Part Invoice Disclaimers tab. The process to modify the statements is the same as repair orders. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.